Let's talk about the latest launched Huawei smartphone Enjoy 70. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with TFT LCD display, with 6.75 inches HD plus waterdrop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, approximately 84.1% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 260 ppi. Pixel density, 60 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Harmony OS 4.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A73 plus 1.7 GHz quad-core Cortex-A53, powered by Kirin 710A chipset, paired with Mali G51MP4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable via microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.3 by 77.7 by 8.9 mm. And it weighs around 207 grams. The color options black, green, white colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery, with 22.5 watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Huawei Enjoy 70 has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 47,999 Pakistani rupees, and 1,199 Chinese yuan, and around $170, while the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 55,999 Pakistani rupees, and 1,399 Chinese yuan, and around $195. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Huawei Enjoy 70 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.